Hey guys, today I'm going to try cooking a beef cross rib roast on my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. I haven't really cooked on this grill all that much yet, so this will be the first roast I've ever tried cooking on it. This is about a 2.5 pound beef cross rib roast, and I seasoned it last night with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper and put it into the refrigerator overnight. And this is a 10-inch cast iron skillet, and this little rack actually goes to my pressure cooker, my Instant Pot. So that will kind of get it up, out of the pan so the air can circulate a little bit, and hopefully, so the bottom won't get so hot. So we'll see how this works, I don't know. And I'm just going to put a regular oven meat thermometer into the center of it here, and probably cook this until the internal temperature is about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks like it might start raining here, but my deck is covered, so hopefully I'll be okay. Okay, turn the gas on and hit the igniter. There we go. That's all there is to this little grill. I think I will turn it down to low. I haven't cooked a roast, so I think I'll start out on low and see how that goes. I could always turn it up during the cook if I need to. So we'll get the lid on and just let her cook for a while. It is getting really dark out here. I think it's going to start raining soon. Anyway, I want to see what the temperature on the grill is here. It's been on there about a half an hour, and the temperature is right at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's about probably where I'd want it if I was cooking it in the oven. This has been on there for about an hour and 20 minutes now, and it looks like the internal temperature is about 120 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think I'm going to pull it off of there and let it rest for a little bit, and then we'll cut into it and see how it is. Looks good on the outside, has a really nice color to it. I'm just going to cut it kind of right down the middle here and see what it looks like inside. Well, it's pretty juicy. Doesn't look super pink, but there's a lot of juice running out of it. So let me slice off a piece here and we'll give it a taste test. Whoa, there goes all my juice. Uh-oh. Turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Not too bad for my first attempt. You don't get the smoky flavor like you do with the charcoal grill, but still tastes good to me. Annie, the taste test dog, is waiting to do her job. Aren't you, Annie? She got her nails trimmed yesterday and she got a new flea collar, so she's all ready to go here. Well, that worked out pretty good. So far I like that little grill a lot. Some days you just don't feel like messing with charcoal. You just want to do things the easy way. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.